The Ford MyKey system can be pretty frustrating, especially if you only have one key and your vehicle is operating in a limited capacity. Our last video failed to mention the elephant in the room, which was that you needed a second key or an admin key to access the menu to turn off those restrictions in the first place. In other words, if you only have one key and it's the restricted key, you cannot get access to the menu anymore to turn off those restrictions. So to save you a few hours of Googling time, we're going to be featuring the spare key kit from Tom's Key Company. They have the key by photo service, which means that they cut the key to match your existing key, and then they send you this programmer where you plug it into your OBD2 port and you program the spare key to pair with your car. You can delete the MyKey settings. We're going to show you how we did all of this, and then you follow up and finish programming the buttons to have a fully functioning second key. We'll have links for these keys for our escapes as well as other Fords in the description below. So let's get started with the materials and the steps. So it sends a pre-cut key with a programmer, and they recommend getting an OBD2 extension cable so that you can plug it in by your knee and still hold this in your hand while you're going through the sequence of events. If you look at my old key, I only have the 3-button key in my old one. This is what they had available for theirs. They have the auto trunk release button. I don't have an auto trunk release on my car, so it's not like this is going to add any function to my vehicle, but I'm still going to be able to use unlock, lock, and the panic alarm. To find the OBD port, open this. We're going to take the female end, plug that in there. I'm just going to take the excess and rope it over the steering wheel. So on the first page, it's going to tell me that 2013 through 2017 escapes, this dial needs to be turned to 7. So it points straight down at 7 here. Next, we're going to have it in park. All the doors are going to be closed. I'm going to take the new key. I'm going to put it in. I'm going to turn it to 2 clicks without turning the car on. It's going to tell me that my key is active, the limitations are on, and then it's going to tell me that no key is available. No key is detected. Now we're going to take the installer, we're going to plug this in, and we're going to press this button at the bottom here to start the pairing process. Now we wait 10 whole minutes. All right. So that was the success beep, so we're good there. That's great. Now we're going to unplug the installer from the OBD2 port here. So we're done with that, and I'm going to unplug the extension cord from the OBD2 port down low and close that little door. So we're done there. That's pretty cool. Now to test the key, we're going to take it out and then put it back in and try and start the car. Woohoo! It's working. The MyKey restrictions are not shown. And I can go down to settings and go down to convenience and MyKey, and I can go to clear my keys. I'm going to hold OK to clear all MyKey restrictions. And there you go. Now I'm going to take out this new key. I'm going to put in the old key that was previously restricted MyKey, and I have no restrictions again. We're going to be going to step 2, which is going to be pairing the remote functions, including the unlock, lock, and panic button. I will need MyKey for this one. Something else to note here is that when reprogramming for a new key, you also need to have your old key present because it's going to erase the old key, so you're remapping both of these all over again. So you put your new key in, and when it says to check the button functions, you're also going to press it on here too. All right, so first method is going to be putting the key in, going to accessory and off 4 times within 6 seconds, and then we'll hear a chime that it's ready for pairing mode. We're going to press any of these buttons and see if it works. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to press it again here. Cool. So for half the price of the dealer, I was able to get a cut key sent to me, pair it to my car, erase my MyKey settings, and program the buttons to have a fully functioning second key. Links are below in the descriptions. Give us a like and a share if this helped you out, and share it with somebody else who might have problems with MyKey. Thanks for watching.